Alright, good afternoon guys. It's Andy again here at Vaden Nissan at Statesboro. What I want to do is explain to you guys why it's so important to make sure you're doing your light maintenance, especially coming to the dealer. A lot of people think the very uncommon misconception that we're more expensive than mom and pop shops or quick lube stores. With that, what I want to do is explain that we do have very competitive price points. We do contact other dealers and other repair facilities to make sure our price point's perfect. A huge aspect is within a short period of time, you go to the other guys downtown, but they may have you in and out so quick that you may not notice you have issues. For example, this is a cabin air filter, and this is what you're breathing inside the vehicle. As we can see how dirty and gray this is, this filter should technically be replaced. And here's a known good filter. As you can see, this is what you're breathing inside the vehicle. This is how it should look when it's been changed out. So if the other guys in town are going so quick, they may miss this. And we want to make sure that you and your family are safe, as well as, especially with COVID-19, we want to change out filters like this for what you're breathing inside. Another big issue is if you don't do your maintenance with us as the dealer, if you do get out of factory warranty, it makes it really hard for us as the manufacturer to help you if you haven't been loyal to the manufacturer and getting your services done. So keep a great maintenance history, follow the actual maintenance log based off your owner's manual, and that's going to definitely help you to enjoy your car experience, and it's going to prevent other issues from happening later on down the road.